Hey everyone, welcome back to PSYCHIANT. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to thrive through challenges while others get stuck? The secret might just lie in your mindset. Today, we're diving into how to use psychology to cultivate a growth mindset for personal development. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have practical, science-backed strategies to unlock your potential, and it's going to be a game changer. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So, what exactly is a growth mindset? Coined by psychologist Dweck, it's the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort, learning, and persistence. On the flip side, a fixed mindset assumes your qualities are set in stone. Here's what Dweck herself said in her book, Mindset. In a growth mindset, people believe that their most basic abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Brains and talent are just the starting point. Pretty inspiring, right? Research shows this isn't just fluffy self-help talk. A 2018 study from Stanford found that students with a growth mindset were more likely to embrace challenges and improve their grades over time. Why? Because they see setbacks as opportunities to grow, not as proof of failure. So, how do we tap into this using psychology? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about your brain. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself, is the foundation here. Every time you learn something new or push through a struggle, your brain forms new connections. Psychologist Daniel Goleman, famous for his work on emotional intelligence, once said, "The brain is not fixed, it's a muscle that grows with use." That's huge. It means you're not stuck. You can literally train your mind to adopt a growth-oriented perspective. But here's where psychology gets practical. It's all about reframing your thoughts. For example, instead of thinking, "I'm terrible at this," try, "I'm not good at this yet." That tiny word, yet, shifts your focus from failure to possibility. Dweck's research backs this up. People who add yet to their self-talk are more resilient and motivated. Another trick? Embrace effort over talent. Studies from the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology show that praising effort rather than innate ability, like saying, "You worked so hard on this," instead of "You were so smart," encourages perseverance. This rewires how you see challenges. Cool, right? Now let's get to the good stuff. How do you actually build a growth mindset? I've got 5 psychology-based steps for you. Number 1, challenge your inner critic. When that little voice says, "You can't do this," argue back. Ask yourself, what's the evidence I can improve? Psychologist Albert Ellis, a pioneer in cognitive therapy, said, "You don't get rid of negative thoughts by ignoring them. You challenge them with rational ones." Number 2, set learning goals, not performance goals. A 2019 study from Harvard showed that people who focus on growth over perfection are less stressed and more adaptable. Number 3, celebrate small wins. Did you finish a tough task? Learn a new skill? Give yourself a high five. Dopamine, your brain's reward chemical, kicks in, reinforcing the habit of effort. Number 4, seek feedback. Yep, even the tough stuff. Feedback is like a roadmap for growth. Dweck found that growth-minded people actively ask, "How can I get better?" instead of avoiding criticism. Number 5, surround yourself with growth-minded people. Psychology tells us we mimic those around us. It's called the social learning theory. Hang out with people who inspire you to stretch, not shrink. So, why does this matter? A growth mindset isn't just about success. It's about living a fuller, braver life. As philosopher William James put it, "The greatest discovery of my generation is that human beings can alter their lives by altering their attitudes of mind." That's the power of psychology at work. Imagine this. A year from now, you're tackling challenges you once avoided, learning skills you never thought possible, all because you shifted your mindset. That's personal development in action. So, what's your next step? Drop a comment below. Tell me one thing you'll try to cultivate your growth mindset. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more psychology hacks to level up your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.